All right, hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to this edition with Three Fires, man. Thanks for joining us today. Today on this video, we are going to be doing a air test on a few really good pinpointers. Today we're going to do an air test with the Minelab Pro Find 25, and we're going to do the XP Mi4. Both really good detectors, pinpointer detectors. Highly recommend. Each of them are really good at what they do. So today, though, we're just going to do a fun little air test. Air test soil, they are a little bit different, but just for funs and shites and giggles, we're just going to do this test today. So to start out, we're just going to do this XP Mi4. And right now I already have it set in high mode. So there's 3 modes that you can set this one in 1, 2, and 3. Low, medium, and high. So I have this set in high mode already. Just to show you how to set this. Since it's already turned on, this is called hot mode. So I'm just going to hold it down. Wait for my noise. 1, 2, 3. And I heard my click right there. So after I get that, that tells me that it registered at the 3 volume high search mode. So we're in high mode right now. So we're just going to set this pointer down. Alright, and just see what we got. We're going to go through a run of things here. We're going to do some coins, some jewelry, and your classic pull tabs and just a relic or something just to see how it pops up. So here we go. Let's get to it. Let's see what happens. We're going to start off here with a penny. And with each one, I'm going to mark with the red for the XP, and I'm going to mark black with the Profine 25. So that's just above the 1-inch mark with the penny. And we'll go with the nickel next. And that's about 1.5 inches right there with the nickel. Next up, dime time. Dime time, man, that was right at the inch mark. Right at the inch mark. And we're going to try out the quarter. And that's just right where the penny is. So that's just over 1 inch. So we'll just keep that line there and keep that rocking. So next up we have a bigger piece of metal, bigger kind of style coin that you're might find out there. So this is a cool Corporal Marine coin. And that's above the nickel, so it's above 1.5 inches. And I'm gonna put M for Marine coin right there. Alright, so we're out of coins right there. So now we're gonna test a few jewelry pieces. This right here, this is a silver and ruby ring. So let's see how this detects in the air. That's right where the nickel is. I'm going to put RS for ruby silver right there. And then this next one up right here, we got a 14 karat gold ring. And that's right where the penny and the quarter And I put a GR right there for the gold ring. All of them, I mean, pretty consistent on that line and mark right there. Next up, what we got right here is it's a thicker ring right here. It's a men's ring, and it's a silver ring. So let's see how this rocks. And that one right there is probably in between the penny and the nickel right here. So there's a nice little mark. Men's ring right there. Alright, a couple items left that we're going to test out here. We're going to see what a pull tab is going to ring up. One of your common items that you're going to find in the ground. Let's see. And that one hit, actually, that was the highest target so far. That was above the marine coin. Almost 2 inches on that. So let's see what another target, another good metal type target's going to be. We're going to do this key right here. Let's see how that rocks. And that one hit right there. And actually I got to turn my pointer on because it hit the mark of 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it turns off. So it's back on. Let's just double check and point and see where that one was. Yeah, so that key, that's above the 2 inch mark. Alright, so that's the tally and that's the marks for the XP Mi4. Really cool pinpointer, really accurate, really picks out the targets very well on the ground, makes your holes easier to dig, makes your targets easier to find. Really good detector, really good pinpointer. So next up, we got the Minelab Profine 25. This one's also a 3-mode set right here, and it's already set in the highest mode. So when you turn it on, you can just turn it in your high mode. It's on its highest mode right now. Bam, ready to rock, ready to roll. Here we go with the Profine 25. And with this one, I'm going to mark all these in a black marker so we can differentiate and see what's up. Going to start our targets out with a penny. Man, big difference already. Huge difference. That's already above the 2 inch mark. I mean, I knew there was going to be a difference. You could see a difference in the field. I'm new to both these pinpointers, but let's just see what happens right here. And this right here, we got a nickel, so... And that's above 2.5 inches. Let's see what dime time does. I would say dime time is just under the 2 inch mark. Alright, we'll go for a bigger piece of metal. We've got a quarter right here, so let's see. And just like with the quarter and the penny are pretty the same with the Profine 2, but both the quarter and the penny outdid the XP. So next up, we got the bigger coin. We got the marine coin. So let's see how that do. Man, the marine coin got 1.5 inches. So let's see what it does here. I'd say that's maybe just above the 3-inch mark right there, borderline right there. So we'll just put that right there. Next category that we're already rocking into is we're going with the silver ring right here. Let's see. I moved my paper. And that's about where the nickel is. Just above it though. And let's see, where did that go right there? It beat the last one. Next one up, we got the gold ring right here. And that's just right where the nickel and the silver ring is. And we'll put the gold ring right there. And then the next one up is the men's ring. It's a bigger, thicker ring right here, silver. So let's see how that one rings out. Over here on this chart, it rang out pretty well, about 1.5 inches. And that's just under or about the 3 mark. Men's ring. Bam. Last couple items up we're going to check. We're going to check your common pull tab. Let's see how this beeps. Oops, I moved the paper again. Here we go. Dang! That's a big 4 inches. Pull tab. Pull tab, I mean, it was over 2 inches with the pull find, with the XP. So let's just see what our final target is. We're going to do the key right here. Last target. Profile 25. And that's our highest target. Yeah, that was over 4 inches. And the key, that was at 2 inches. That's a 2-inch difference. That's insane. That's a really big difference. Wow. We're just going to pull that aside, put this back down here, and put this key up here, and just... I mean, that's where the key was hitting on the Profine 25. Oh. There we go. We got it in high mode right there. There we go. And this time the key's hitting lower than it did on its first mark, which is odd. But there we go. So let's check out our results right here. Let's see what we did and see how it is. Man, I think it's pretty clear. I mean, the red and the black. And you guys seen it happen. I mean, it's a clear-cut winner. Which one is can detect the stuff the best? I mean, in the field, I actually see the difference. I mean, so far, this is my preferred pinpointer to use out there. It's just super accurate, right on it. Got good noise, not too loud, has good vibration, really good pinpointer. But again, can't discredit this pinpointer right here either. This is a really good pinpointer. Highly recommend this pinpointer. Super good, super accurate, and it finds your stuff really well. It gets outbeat. So it is what it is. That's just my video about these pinpointers with the, and that's also an air review. That does not mean what it does with the soil, so let's let that be known as well, because this thing really rocks and it's really good, really accurate. Fun video to do. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, we'll see ya. Happy hunting, y'all. Peace out.